So today we'll be discussing about how to make a filter on Revit 24. So I took this example on practice project. So first I'll be making a filter on Revit 24. So first we will go to visible graphics and then go to the filters and then add new one on edit new, and I'll just make one example for supply air ducts. So I'll make one filter of the name supply. So I'll delete the existing one just for the tutorial, and I'll make one by the name of supply itself. Now the most important thing, I have to select all the elements which will be coming under this filter. So I'll be selecting all the elements related to the ducts, duct fittings, insulations, linings, placeholders, systems, ducts. Now I'll just check it out, and then I have to specify the rules. So for example, I'll be making this on the basis of system name. So I'll be keeping it mechanical supply. So it will take all the ducts which are coming under mechanical supply air 3 system name in the specific color whichever we want to. Okay, so I'm adding this supply over here. Now you can see this is for the linings, like it's for the borders of that duct. For example, I'm giving it just the green color. So it's for the solid fill, it's for the whole body. So it will be in green color completely. Yeah, so now you can see this is the supply air duct which is shown in green color. So that's how you make a filter. Thank you.